In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for real estate in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a real estate agent, a broker, or part of a larger team, Monday.com can be a powerful tool to streamline your operations, stay organized, and boost productivity. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign into Monday.com. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and quick. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is create a workspace dedicated specifically to your real estate operations. This workspace will serve as the central hub for all your tasks and projects, so it's important to set it up with the right structure from the start. Now, you have the option to either use a template or start from scratch. Monday.com offers a variety of templates that can be tailored to meet the demands of real estate management. These templates provide a great starting point with predefined columns and views that can represent listings, client information, and transaction progress. However, if your business has unique needs, you might prefer starting from scratch to have total control over how everything is organized. Next, you should leverage the power of automations. Automations can save you a ton of time by taking care of repetitive tasks, such as notifying team members when a task is updated or automatically moving deals to different stages of your sales pipeline. By setting these up, you ensure that no task falls through the cracks, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your business. Visualizing your data is crucial for understanding trends and making informed decisions. Monday.com provides a range of visualization options like charts and dashboards that help you easily interpret data regarding your listings and transactions. This can be incredibly helpful for spotting which listings are getting the most traction and which areas may need more attention. As you work through your deals, use the comment function on listings or transactions to communicate directly with your team. This feature keeps all relevant discussions in one place, making it easy to follow up on inquiries or negotiate terms without losing track of important details. It's also essential to regularly monitor agent performance and pipeline efficiency. With Monday.com, you can track how well your agents are doing and see where deals are within the pipeline. This insight allows you to make data-driven decisions to enhance your team's productivity and success rate. Finally, always be ready to adjust listings, manage client follow-ups, or tweak your automations as needed. The real estate market is dynamic, and being flexible with your processes will help you stay ahead of the curve. By keeping your listings current and ensuring your team is on top of client interactions, you maintain a forward-driven and responsive business. And there you have it. A streamlined approach to using Monday.com for real estate management. By following these steps, you'll better organize your tasks, save time, and hopefully close more deals. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your real estate business operations.